Hey everyone, it's your boy Doc Williams, and today we're going to be talking about how you can create your own Amazon bestseller in less than 30 minutes. So let's begin. Before we get started, if you like this type of content, like and subscribe to this channel, click the bell, because we're always trying to create videos for you to create online profitable businesses or even just a side hustle. We do all of that on this channel, so like and subscribe. All right, so we're going to be talking about creating your own Amazon bestseller in less than 30 minutes. Now, we did this for a full build in an episode. There's going to be a link somewhere down below or above my head. That shows you actually how we did this with Frederick. And this is a summary in talking about what we did and how you can be doing this very, very quickly. So before we begin, why are we even talking about becoming an Amazon bestseller? If you want to be a thought leader or stand out in your industry, it's important that you have some kind of content or material to make sure that people know that you're an expert. The best way possible to do this is write a book, y'all. It's true. When you have a book and you say, well, I've written a book about, they know you're legit. You've done it. Now, a lot of times people think creating a book will take a lot of time, but it doesn't necessarily have to. If you have content such as checklists or resource guides that have worked and people have enjoyed in the past, make that a book. Make a cover, put that together, and that's what you're going to be doing. And that's exactly what we did. And we've created bestsellers doing this. We've done it twice, actually. Is it for money? Am I looking to get rich? No, it's to establish myself in a very specific industry for it to be a talking point for me to get speaking engagements, to be on podcasts and all those things, and to do the PR circuit and allowing myself to be established. And you can do the same exact thing for your industry. You can do this literally for anything. If you don't believe me, look on Amazon and look at all the categories and all the things people are talking about, from dinosaurs to werewolves to Legos to Barbies to whatever. It's all there. So whatever your industry is, you can definitely capitalize. So for us, what we just created was the 100 no-code business ideas for people to start making money, right? So we already had that as a PDF and a download, and people were really enjoying it. And not only that, all of those links, that was to different YouTube episodes that I've done over the last year. So now we have highly engaged content where if they're, using a Kindle or something like that, they can click on it and they can just be taken to the YouTube episode, and that drives traffic. And we're doing that because think about Amazon, all that traffic, all the things people are looking for. And guess what? A lot of people weren't talking about no code on Amazon. So we decided to snap that up, get that spot, and now guess what? We have the #1 best-selling book for no code on Amazon. That's right, we did it because we just created a PDF, put it together, and we're able to do it. So right now what you're gonna see is clips of how we were able to do that. Also, too, it comes with showing you how we designed the cover, how we did that very quickly in under, I think we did it under 36 minutes. I think it's 30 minutes, but maybe it's 36 minutes. And you can do the same exact thing. Now, remember, we're doing this with a purpose. We're not doing this personally to get rich. We're treating the book as a business card to open other doors and opportunities to capitalize on. And you can be doing the same exact thing. If you're trying to be a coach, a thought leader, all those things, you can be doing that with a book and increase all of that traffic from Amazon, what people are interested in, right there to YouTube, and for people to get to know you better. As always, it's your boy Doc Williams with Build with me, and we have the pleasure to be with who today?
Hi, I'm Frederick Kiomia. I'm an author, ghostwriter, and entrepreneur.
But this is what we're going to try to do. And this is always a time trial. We just try to see how fast we can just act. And you've given us a great idea for an outline. Let's see what we can do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a timer on what I'm doing. And I'm going to see how fast I'm going to use an outline, but how fast I can publish a book on Amazon. I'm wasting time.
I'm wasting directly to Amazon's KDB.
What is it? KDB?
Yes. I think that's the program they have for self-publishing.
Look at this. He's giving you the inside scoop right now. Let's see. Sign in. Okay. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot I still had this back in the day. What year was this? Okay. Okay, so I'm here now. So you would sign up. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, kdp.amazon, let me drop that in the chat. Let's see. I should probably say create a new title, Kindle ebook right here.
Yeah.
Let's see about that. All right, English. I'm going to call this, see, 100 no-code business ideas. Let's call it that. I'm going to cut out the plus sign, right? Do you think the plus sign's too much in a title?
Yeah.
Maybe just 100?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
100 plus is overwhelming.
Yeah, that's too much. Too much. 100 no-code business ideas. I'm going to say get started with no code today. Okay.
Yeah.
Series name, volume, optional. Edition number. I'm going with 1. Let's see. Doc Williams. Let's see. Contributors. No. This appears in your book. Let's see. This book is designed to help new ones in the no code. No, new ones. New ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
help. This book is designed to help. Let's see. Help. I'm trying to come up with a good synopsis. Okay. This book is designed.
Mm-hmm.
For those. No. Okay. This book is designed to help. Those who are new to. No. That sounds corny. This book is designed to give you all the tools you need
To start on your journey in no code.
to become a master at no code.
I like it. See categories. Now, Frederick, I'm trying to get number 1 in my category. So can I just cheat in the category? Can I just go into a non-competitive category, please?
Yeah, sure. Whatever you need to do to I'm not judging.
I'm glad. You know, did you hear that very strategic answer Frederick gave me? He didn't say to do it, but he just said, if it's you, you do it. But he's not taking the blame. He's not doing anything on that.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. Okay. Makers. Let me see what kind of categories we got. Nonfiction.
Try to be as specific as possible. Since they have very specific needs, they're more likely to pick up your book since it's in a very specific category addressing said specific need.
Let's look at our timer. I didn't forget, guys. We're at 9 minutes. Calm down. We're doing good. Okay. Pre-order, we'll say I'm ready to release. Now, should I say I am ready or should I say make Kindle available for pre-order?
Well, I would say pre-order.
Okay.
Because if you're going to, it gives you time to promote yourself to get the word out there, and the
Okay.
more people pre-order, the more you rise in the ranks.
Okay, so now I'm done with this. Now the next thing I should do, do I have to make a cover for this? Let's see. Okay, yep, cover. Okay, upload this thing. I'm gonna go to Canva. What do you think? I think I'm gonna do it on Canva. You think that's all right?
Yeah, I love Canva. Shout out to Canva. Most of my, well, I'm giving away trade secrets now, but um,
Come on. This is why we're here. You're the expert. Look, people in the chat, we need more trade secrets.
Okay. So yes, I do a lot of my deciding of Canva. It's very easy to use. Another tip, another trade secret I have for you. As you're scrolling through the options, I think look out for the covers that your eye naturally
Mm.
gravitates to. We can, for the heist, we can do a red background with those lines being like orange, like a very light orange.
People are saying, what about my brand colors? Should I worry about my brand colors, or should I just worry about the book and getting sold and getting people to really recognize it? What do you think I should do?
Well, the cover is a really great way to sell the book because unfortunately we do judge books by their cover.
Mm-hmm.
And so, if your cover is not the best, then chances are that could really hurt your sales. So I would say it's very important to have a really, really bomb cover.
Mm-hmm. Oh, ready to upload your pre-order manuscript? No, I'll upload file. No, I'll upload the file I want the customer to receive later. Yeah. Let's do that. Mainly because I don't have it done. Okay, saving. And when I mean mainly, that's because I don't have it done.
Mhm.
So I have complete, in progress, right there, not started. Boom. Select a royalty. Does that really matter? Should I do higher or lower? What's the difference?
Well, I think 70%.
I'm not fighting you on that. Done. Let's see. Amazon, I want to see if so it must be 2.99. So they don't let the 99-cent ones go anymore, huh?
Unless it's on sale.
Hmm. Interesting. Okay, submit pre-order. Done. All right. Look at this. What we got? Timer, guys. Timer 30. And by the way, I want to say as a caveat for the tape, 10 minutes of that was technical difficulties. That wasn't our fault. That time doesn't really count. I'm going to say it's technically 36 minutes, but you were in the crowd. You saw what happened. Should I go over here? I can't click on it.
Mm. Or maybe they haven't like processed it yet.
Oh, the order in review. Got it. Yep. Within 72 hours. You told me that. So, yes, people in the chat are saying, wow, great job. That's exactly right. All right. Now that you've already seen how to do it, you're ready to get started. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, what industry you're in, all of those things. Let me know. I'm interested. And again, if you want to know more about all the different business ideas with how to use no code and get started right now, there's the link down below. You can support us by buying the book on Amazon, or if you're saying, Doc, listen, I'm broke right now, I just need it. Don't worry. Click the link down below and you can download it for free. Either way. All right, everyone, we'll see you in the next video.